Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your account on the Marvel Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Snap game on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't already logged into your account, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels, which you will need to complete in order to access the main menu. After completing the basic tutorial levels, if you have an account that you have scheduled for deletion and you wish to recover it, then tap on the gear icon at the top left corner. Now from the settings page, just scroll down and you will see the link account option. You can tap on the sign in with Google button and you will be allowed to log in using your Google account. Just make sure that you select the Google account that you had actually scheduled for deletion, and you will also need to be sure that 1 month has not passed, because after this period you will not be able to recover your account anymore. After selecting the account on which you had scheduled deletion, you can tap on the continue button and you will be logged into your account once again, and your account deletion will also be cancelled. If you already had a previous saved game, you can also follow the same step by logging into your previously used Google account, and all of your account progress will be recovered right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to recover your Marvel Snap game account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.